Hi guys! Welcome to another mini vlog. So for today, I'm going to share with you our trip in Benitez Resort. So as you can see in my previous video is umuulan guys. Sakto kasi na yung kinuha naming schedule is nagkaroon ng bagyo. So hindi na namin makancel kaya tumuloy na din kami kahit gano'ng kalakas yung ulan. So di rin kami sabay-sabay dyan guys. Nakisabay na lang din kami dun sa isa namin kaibigan. So ito yung room 2 nila. Actually guys, 3 room yan and nakalimutan lang i-video yung first room. Katulad netong room 3 na merong 2 double deck. Yung room 3 kasi is yung isa parang king size bed lang.